What do you think of this look? I'm not sure if it's exhibiting fall vibes or a weird combination of goth and Little House on the Prairie. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey, and today I am so excited. I'm going to be sharing with you my Copacetic Cutie bag for the month of October. The Copacetic Cutie is a monthly makeup subscription for $10 a month, and with that you receive one pressed single eyeshadow, one mini lip gloss, one mini nail polish, and a mystery item. So with my Copacetic Cutie unbagging videos, I generally like to talk a little bit about the Collaborator, and then I get into the products. So as always, there are timestamps in the description box if you want to skip around. The October theme was Celestial Flames, and it was in collaboration with Handy Replay on Instagram. Her name is Elease. In talking to Elease about her inspiration behind this month's bag, she said she was inspired by her upcoming birthday as well as her dog's birthday. Her dog's name is Blossom, and she is a miniature dachshund. Her birthday was October 18th, and she just turned 12 years old. Elease said she's a Scorpio and Blossom is a Libra, hence some of the shade names. Some of the shade names within this collection include Doxy, Blossom, Scorpio, Brindle, Libra. She said Blossom loves treats and going outside, so those are shade names also. Elease said makeup and project panning are her hobbies, hence her name on Instagram, but she said she also works as a clinician and in social work for her day-to-day job. Aside from her beautiful makeup looks, one thing I noticed about Elease right away is her smile. Can we just take a moment to appreciate her smile? Her smile is the definition of sunshine in my eyes. It is just beautiful. Elease is beautiful, and of course Blossom is adorable. Shout out to all the dog moms and dads out there, because the love between a human and a dog is unlike no other. And a huge thank you to Elease for bringing some of that love into this collaboration. I thought that was so special. Real quick before I get into this month's products, there's something that I need to share with you because I keep forgetting to share it in all of these Copacetic monthly videos, and that is about $2 Tuesday. Yes! So on the first Tuesday of every month, Copacetic Cosmetics will release a new set of eyeshadows, and they are $2 a piece. That is correct, only $2. You will still have to pay for shipping, of course, but it is such a fun way to dip your toes into the world of Copacetic Cosmetics and try out a few of their shadows. I believe it's always a set of 5 eyeshadows, and they always revolve around some sort of theme. For October, the theme was Autumn's Dawning, and all the colors were very fall, very autumn, beautiful glimmering shades, and they all had autumn names from different places around the world. After $2 Tuesday, the 5 eyeshadows are then added to the Copacetic Pressed Eyeshadow Collection and are the normal price of their shadows. Copacetic always releases photos and swatches before $2 Tuesday comes around, so if you aren't following them on Instagram yet, I definitely recommend it. Okay, let's get into this month's products. First up, I'm going to talk about the one that makes me the most uncomfortable. And by uncomfortable, I mean pushes me out of my comfort zone. And that is this bold lip that I have going on right here. If you saw my Copacetic unbagging last month, I talked about how I regretted not choosing the black lip because it did push me out of my comfort zone. When I saw the brown matte lip available for this month, that was the product I had to choose, and here we are. First, let's talk about the product and then I'll share my thoughts on it. So I received the shade Brindle. It is a chocolate brown lipstick. I believe if you purchase this full size from the website, it will come as a regular tube lipstick, but being that this is just the mini size, I think that's why it came in a pot. But it came in a cute little pot, and it did come with a little lip applicator. I thought that was pretty cute. There is no scent to the lip product this month. I thought yesterday when I put it on for the first time, I was picking up some sort of chocolate scent, but I think I was just psyching myself out because it looks like a pot of chocolate. I have to say, it's different. And I do like it. I don't know that I love it so much with the eye look that I have going on, but I do like it. I tend to wear mauves and nudes on my lips, so it's definitely a darker color than I'm used to. Last night while I was playing with it, it did dry down to feel and look more like a matte lipstick. So today I did top it with a gloss, actually one of my Copacetic glosses. This is the shade Photo Booth. I like that I stepped out of my comfort zone. I like the end result. The only thing I'm concerned about, because I'm not used to wearing such a bold lip, is it running or smudging or smearing. So I need you to do me a favor during this video. Just give me a heads up if it starts to smear or smudge so that I don't look like a fool on the internet. I know you're gonna have my back. Just give me a heads up, a gentle tap on the shoulder. Let me know, okay? Next up, the polish I chose for this month is the shade Outside. It is a rich emerald green jelly polish. It looks black in the jar, but when you hold it up to the light, you do see that green tint. And I did swatch it out on one of my nail swatches, and it is a beautiful emerald green. It reminds me of the Wizard of Oz, actually.
And a couple of tra-la-las. That's how we laugh a day away in the merry old land of Oz.
I received my bag yesterday, and I had just painted my nails orange for Halloween yesterday morning, so I didn't have time to repaint my nails, but I look forward to using this. I don't think I've ever used a jelly polish, so I look forward to trying that formula out and also just playing with the greens. I think green nail polish is having a moment this year. Maybe it's just me, but I seem to be seeing a lot of people wearing green nail polish, so I cannot wait to try this. Next up, the eyeshadow I chose this month is the shade 96. It is described as a muted matte chartreuse green. There is just something about this color of green that allures my eyeballs. It makes my heart skip a beat. It makes my makeup obsessed mind run wild with creativity. I just want to dab my fingers in there and rub it all over my eyes. And when I tell you it's as vibrant as it appears in the pan, I'm not kidding around. My first thought was to do an all matte eye look, put this all over my lid, a little bit of mascara, maybe a little bit of liner. I think that would have looked really cool with the brown lip also. So, you know, I got a little carried away with my makeup this morning. I did pop this in the center of my lid, and then I topped it with a duochrome eyeshadow topper, and I really do enjoy the way that this turned out, but I'm not gonna lie. I think the next look I'm gonna do with this is just an all matte green eye look. I just cannot wait to have this all over my eyelid.
I did it.
Okay, last but not least, the mystery item this month was a scented dry body oil. I swear it's like Olivia and the Copacetic team just knows me. They just understand my heart and my soul when it comes to these mystery products because I have loved every single one. The sprayable lotion that I got a couple months ago is so good, and I so wish they would make it a permanent product on their website and had more scent varieties. I'm hoping, dreaming that that comes true someday. I have not tried it yet. I'm gonna try it for the first time one-on-one with you here, but first let's talk about the product here. This is, as I said, a scented dry body oil, and it has a marble cake scent. One thing I really like that Copacetic does is they always send us a spoiler email when their packages are sent out, and they always include a list of ingredients. So I perused the ingredient list for the dry oil, and this was made with great oils, including grapeseed oil, argan kernel oil, castor seed oil, meadow foam seed oil, macadamia, olive, and jojoba oil. I mean, this sounds like a win in every way. Great body care, great scent. Let's try it out. I don't know how much I was supposed to spray on. Maybe a spritz would have been plenty.
Whoa.
It smells like chocolate. I don't know that I've ever smelled a marble cake, but it smells like chocolate. So if marble cake smells like chocolate, they nailed it. But regardless, it wins my heart. And it is, wow, I'm impressed. It is a dry oil. I mean, it's still an oil, so there's a little bit of tack there. I do like using oils in my body care routine, but I don't like that heavy, oily feeling. I don't like, I feel like I'm sticking to my clothes, and that every time I touch my skin, my hands feel greasy and oily. So with that, I normally use grapeseed oil because that is more of a faster drying, absorbing oil. And with this, grapeseed oil was one of the first ingredients. This is really nice. This did dry down nicely, and my arm feels smooth. Is it glistening? Do I look dewy? Ooh, I kind of do. Okay, anyway, I'm very excited about this. The scent, A+, the dry body oil aspect, I love that. Guys, what the heck? No one told me. So to conclude and wrap up this video, it's pretty obvious I enjoyed everything I received this month again. Even this rich, bold brown lip that is forcing me out of my comfort zone. Speaking of comfort zone, wait until you see the lip that I chose for next month. What I chose makes this rich brown lip look tame. neutral, mild. I'm nervous. Any guesses as to what color it will be? Leave it for me down below. As far as my favorite product for the month, oh, that's tough. I really like that chartreuse green eyeshadow. I think that's so fun. But I think I'm gonna go with the Dry Body Oil. I love that scent, and it is a little bit, I don't want to use the word rich because it's not that the scent is like overpowering and rich. It's that it's a warmer scent. It's more of a gourmand, warm scent. So I just feel like it's perfect for this time of year. You know, when I'm cozied up around a blanket, maybe wearing a thick, warm sweater, I spray a little bit of this on, and it really just embodies that whole fall, warm, winter, cozy vibe. It's just, oh, I can't wait. If you're interested in any of these products today, I will have them listed down below, as well as the Copacetic website if you're interested in checking out their other products, or maybe you're interested in signing up for the Copacetic monthly yourself. Side note, I highly recommend it. I'm not sponsored, I'm not pressured to say that in any way. I'm saying that purely from my own heart, because since signing up myself a few months ago, I have really enjoyed it. I have nothing bad to say about it. I love that you get a nice variety of products. The products are of great quality. I truly think $10 is such a steal for everything you get, and it's so much fun. And again, you have the ability to customize your bag, which I think is so cool. All right, Trace has bailed the video. I don't know where he went to, maybe looking for snackers. But I speak for both of us when I say this. We want to thank you so much for your time today. Thank you for hanging out with us. We hope that you hit the subscribe buttons and come back next time. And until next time, we hope you have the most wonderful day. Beans, meet everyone. Everyone, meet Beans. Trace and Tim. Today, I am so excited. I'm going to be sharing with you my Copacetic monthly for the month of October. It's October. Okay. In that video, I talk all about Copacetic cosmetics. In that video, I talk all about in that video, I one more time. Just once more. That's all I need. The theme for October was Celestial Flames, and it's in collaboration. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm gonna sneeze. Are you coming or not? All right. Beauty is a monthly makeup subscription. Enunciate. The October theme was celestial.